Today we're going to look at my experiment. This is my hydroponics experiment that I'm doing using the Kratky Method. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but it's highly intriguing because there's no need for an aeration system. So this is my beginning, so to speak. And I wanted to show you what I have for seeds that have sprouted and are doing well so far. I haven't put them in their individual pots yet, but this is what we have. So, and I also want to let you know about different seed companies that are out there that are really good. So the first one here, this is the Parris Island Romaine, and I got those seeds from eBay from a company called The Seed Plant, and they have really good deals on seeds, and so far their seeds are great. The spinach right here is also from The Seed Plant, and the bib lettuce right here is from The Seed Plant. These are the micro dwarf tomatoes, and those I wanted because I wanted to do a container garden that wouldn't go crazy. You know, tomatoes sometimes have a tendency of getting overwhelming after a while, but these are supposed to be small, and they're like a cherry tomato, and they're from Bunny Hop Seeds. They're developers of hybrid seeds. These here, this is a surprise right here. This is a Space Master cucumber, and these seeds I bought probably from either Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that in 2015, and I was, thinking, well, let's try it out, let's see what happens, and sure enough, they came up. These, most of these were planted on the 17th of January, except for the tomato plants, which were planted on the 18th. So these are doing really, really well. The solution that they're sitting in is water with a little bit of nutrient in it. Grow Big by Fox Farm is what I'm using. So far, this is really, really a great start to my hydroponics experiment, and I will continue to post updates now and then, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys try it yourself because it's really easy. These little growing media is rock wool, which you can get on eBay as well. Fairly inexpensive for a sheet of I think it was 98 that I got. And so, all in all, this has not been an expensive venture. The seeds are normally around 99 cents a package for most of them, with free shipping, so that's really awesome. So give it a try if you want. I know I can't not garden, so this is my way of being able to garden in the location I'm at. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.